Welcome to this Nexa video where you will learn how to install the Nexa File Manager. The File Manager is an application that allows Nexa to handle the file transfer between the PLM system and your local system. You will also learn how to configure the work and view folders on your local system. A user can interact with file items in the Nexa Vault in two main modes, work and view. We use the view mode if we are only interested in getting information and visualizing the content of a file, while we operate in the work mode if we want to manipulate a file and make changes. In both cases, we need to pull the file from the PLM system and download it into the local system, and to do that, we need the File Manager. I create two directories on my local system, called PM View and PM Work. I want to use these two folders to download the files from Nexa. Now, I log into Nexa as the user Paul Moll. At the top right hand of the interface, there are two icons, the user icon and the help icon. I click on the user icon and I get three options: Profile, Preferences, Logout. I click on Preferences and three more choices appear: Work Directory, View Directory, Preferred Class. As you can see, since the File Manager is not yet installed, I cannot select the Work and View directories, so I close this window. The File Manager can be downloaded by selecting the help icon at the top right of the interface. But what if I try to view a file before installing the File Manager? From the desktop area, I right-click on a file, the context menu opens and I select View File. This action triggers the installation of the File Manager. Although I could download the File Manager right now, let's suppose that I decide to postpone this action and I click on Remind Me Later. If I try to view a file at a later moment, a red box appears at the bottom right, instructing me to download the File Manager installer from the Help Download menu located in the top right corner. I click on the help icon at the top right and I get prompt three choices. When I select Download File Manager Installer, the download procedure begins. The download is completed and Nexa warns me that I need to log out and log back in after having installed the File Manager. I click on Log Out, I go to the folder where I saved the installer and I right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. The installer notices that a couple of dependencies are missing and requests to install them. I click Install. At this point, the installation of the File Manager can begin. I click on Next. To proceed, please read and accept the license agreement. I select the destination folder, I leave the default one, and press Next. The installation procedure is very quick. When it is done, I click on Finish. I log into Next again. Before I can do anything, the system asks me to select the Work and View directories. All I have to do is to click on the three dots buttons and select the View and Work folders on my local system. Now, if I right-click on a file and select the View File option, thanks to the File Manager, the system delivers the file to my local system and opens the file in a new window. I will close this window and go to my local View directory. I can see that the read-only file has been copied here from the Nexa Vault. In the future, if I want to see the same version of this file again, the system won't need to extract it again from the vault. On the other hand, the work directory is used when I'm dealing with files that need to be modified. I go to the desktop area and I right-click on a file. From the context menu, I select Checkout. A writable version of the file is copied into my work directory. A quick way to access the work directory is to right-click on the Nexa icon in the taskbar and click on the Explore Work Directory. As you can see, a writable version of the file has been copied here from the Nexa Vault. Now, the Nexa File Manager is installed, the Work and View directories are properly set, and it is possible to get a copy of the files from the Nexa Vault or to check in and check out files. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss all the upcoming Nexa video with new tutorials and feature updates. Thanks for watching.